and another one. What's up people, Manrod here, coming to you with another video. This time we're going to be unboxing and also reviewing Qoolife Cool Lights. My previous video I also unboxed and reviewed the Qoolife product. It was so exceptional that I had to give this one a try too. This one is Qoolife model QL11CWL-2. This is a Qoolife colorful copper wire string lights. This is the barcode and these are the product specification. Length is 5 meters, 50 LED lights, input voltage 5 volts, power rating 1.5, LED type RGB. It's a small box but 5 meters of lights are in it. So let's begin with the unboxing. Right off the back, a user manual. Oh wow, it actually has a remote along with it too. Really interesting, very thin design, on and off mode, interesting. So everything is housed right here, and this is a string. I'm going to be extra careful. This is a very unique design. Props to Qoolife. I mean, I personally feel that very carefully when you unwind it and install it, you can hide it anywhere you want. It can make for a good accent light also. And the entire string. This is very thin. I will be curious to see the light output. But yeah, it is 5 meters. I'm pretty surprised that in such a small package, this is being put in. That's a remote, has a battery tab. It also comes in with a battery adapter thing, and that itself has an on-off switch. Very unique case, I will say, very unique, very nice looking case. Looks like it uses AA batteries, 3 of them. So let me put that in. Pretty standard operation. Batteries are in. USB to USB. This goes in. Oh wow. Okay. These are good, dude. These are definitely good. I'm glad that I got this thing. So you can make them solid color. Right now it's in strobe. And now it's changing slowly and off. And the battery backup itself has a small indicator. You can turn it off. So you can turn the main power off, turn the power on, and the remote does work too. You can turn it on and off. Definitely great product. I was initially somewhat worried as far as, it's plain wire, how will it look? But boy oh boy, was I surprised. I do plan to use it. Amazing job, Qoolife. Me personally, I had not heard of him, but boy, I am glad that I found him. Quality of the product speaks for itself. It's definitely good. I'll leave the product description below, and also the link where you can buy this on Amazon. I'm not sponsored by Amazon. I'm not affiliated by Amazon. Search for them. Look, that's a model number. Use it. It's definitely worth it. There's definitely a big thumbs up for me. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys and gals on the next one. Later, people.